Now, what is the difference between mass and weight? There are two terms in the physics, mass and weight. I am going to discuss what is the difference in between them. Now, what is the definition of mass? Mass is the measure of quantity of matter contained in it. Whereas, weight is the force exerted on a body due to its gravity. That's why, अगर आपका कोई टेबल है, ठीक है, उसका मास 60 kg है अर्थ पर, तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि मून पर भी 60 kg, वेट उसका चेंज हो जाता है। तो अगर हम कहते हैं कि मास 60 kg है, तो अर्थ पर हो चाहे मून पर हो, मास 60 kg होगा, लेकिन वेट चेंज हो जाएगा। वेट अगर अर्थ पर 60 kg है तो मून पर 1/6 हो जाता है, यानी 10 kg हो जाता है। दैट मीन्स वेट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द प्लैनेट। मतलब मास जो है रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट। मास चाहे हम धरती पे किसी चीज का मेजर करें, चाहे चांद पे, चाहे कहीं पर, वो सेम रहता है, लेकिन वेट बदलता है, वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस। सो दिस पोर्शन इट इज द डेफिनेशन फॉर द मास एंड दिस इज द डेफिनेशन फॉर द weight. Next thing, mass remains constant and weight varies from place to place. Next, mass is the scalar quantity, whereas weight is the vector quantity. Its SI unit is kilogram. Its SI unit is Newton. That is, SI unit of weight is Newton. Now, mass is measured by the beam balance, whereas weight is measured by the spring balance. Weight is measured by spring balance. I am going to discuss one numerical attached with this concept. Now see the first question. If mass of the girl is 36 kg, find the weight of the girl. I told you earlier, mass and weight, they are correlated with each other, and the formula for that is weight is equal to mass into gravity. The value of G, if it is given in the question, you can either use 10 or you can use 9.8. Okay, it's up to you. Now, it is given mass of the girl is 36 kg and you have to find the weight of the girl. So simply we substitute both the values. In place of mass we write 36 and for gravity we write 10 and we get 360. So weight, this is the weight. So we write the unit as Newton. Because SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of weight is Newton. Now I am shifting to the next question. I think you got the clue. What is the difference between weight and mass? That is, weight is equal to mass into gravity. Okay. You can also multiply in place of 10 with 9.8 and find out the answer. Okay. Now the next question I am going to solve. In the next question we have, if the weight of the object is 400 Newton, it is given in Newton and it is weight. So in the question it is given that weight of the object is 400 Newton. Now find the mass and weight, but on the moon पर बताना है, on the moon. Find the mass and weight on the moon. So I told you earlier, mass is always constant, either on the earth, either on the moon. Okay, so we use again the formula, weight is equal to mass into gravity. So in place of W we write 400 and we find out mass. We use the value of gravity as 10. So mass is equal to 400 over 10 and we get 40 and we write the unit kg. So mass on the earth and mass on the moon both are same. So mass on the moon becomes 40 kg. Now the next one, weight on the moon. Just remember, weight on the moon is 1/6 of weight on the earth. Moon में जाके चीज हल्की हो जाती है. So weight on the earth is 400. So we multiply it with 400 and when you solve you get answer, that is the weight of the object on the moon. Mass of the object is always 40, either on the earth, either on the moon. So we divide it 3 and it is 200 That means 3 6 18, 3 6 18, 2 by 3. And it is weight, so it is Newton. I think different types of numerical can easily be solved using these concepts.